Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. Happy Foodie Friday, roadies, and welcome to a new recipe. This one was kind of fun when it finally was successful, but I had to do it twice to make it that way. Because the first time I tried it, I put it in too small of a cake pan, and the center would not get cooked, and so the outside burned a bit. So I did it a second time, and it worked out great. I am introducing you to grain-free and white sugar-free strawberry cake. It was Summer's birthday last week, and she wanted a pink cake. And I had always wanted to try this recipe, so I thought, well, great, I can just do it and we'll see how it turns out. And after I figured out the cake pan size, it worked out great. So I will be introducing that to you. She got to help with the frosting. There is cream cheese and strawberries, and that is it on the frostings. Oh, and a couple tablespoons of milk too to smooth it out, because the cream cheese wouldn't smooth out until I added a little bit of milk to that. So that's all there was to that. So enjoy, relax, and if you haven't joined our channel yet, now is a great time. You get some great recipes almost every Friday. If I'm not cooking something, we are reviewing a restaurant around here, and we just like to tell you our opinions of it. And so that way, anytime you are in Utah, in the Salt Lake area, you can try those places out. So I hope you like this recipe, and I hope it works out for you, and we'll see you next time. Remember to subscribe, like, comment your opinions on this recipe, and we would love to have you ring that bell so you can come back for more. Thank you, and we'll see you later. This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum.
Yeah.